Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah and I'm excited to open this month's Play by Sephora. If you'd like to see what I got in this month's box, keep on watching. Okay, so if you're unfamiliar with Play by Sephora, it's a $10 a month subscription service from Sephora. Everything in your box can be found at Sephora or Sephora.com. I love getting this one. This is probably my most favorite subscription box because, again, it's everything you can get at Sephora, and it's a lot of, you know, higher priced items that you get to try out. I really like it. So you get 5 products and 1 bonus item. The bonus item is typically a perfume or a shampoo and conditioner kind of foil packets. You always get the $50 of extra Beauty Insider points when you make it purchase in store for that month. I've been forgetting to use them, and I do a lot of online ordering. This month's theme, it says welcome to the beauty boardwalk. It's kind of called Summer Nights, and so this is the cute little packet. What I really like about this sheet on the back side, I'm not going to show you so you can be surprised about what I got. It tells you about all the items, how much they retail in store, how to use them, and what they're for. So if you get if you get a product that you're unfamiliar with or don't know how to use, it has a lot of really good information. So I just really appreciate that. So here's this month's bag. There we go. It's super cute. It says hot hot hot. It's like this neon like writing. So let's do it. As you know, I'm always kind of like backing it in. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is the Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover for lids, lashes, and lips. This stuff is really good. It's very gentle. I have another sample of this. It's not something that I purchased, but I think it's really good. Really good stuff. I like the balm because I just like balms a little bit better, but if you like liquid removers or need something specifically for your eyes, this stuff is really good, and again, really gentle. Okay, next up I have, oh my god, this is so exciting. This is the Tatcha Silk Canvas Filter Finish Protective Primer. Now, if you watch any YouTube videos, you know that like every single beauty guru has been talking about this, and this is like their go-to primer. I'm so excited, and it's 0.14 fluid ounces. I am so excited, you guys. I actually just ordered this online. But how awesome is this going to be to travel with? Look how cute. It smells good. It's a good amount, perfect to travel. I mean, this is why I like this box. Like, this is like a really like talked about product. It's relatively new. It's kind of one of those things, so it's not like you're getting stuff from like past seasons or they're trying to get rid of stuff. It's a lot of really good current items. It's a lightweight primer that blurs imperfections and reduces the look of pores. Yeah, so I'm really excited. I'm gonna put this in my travel bag. I'm leaving in a little over a day. Like, I'm leaving today. I'm leaving in a few days to go to Vegas, and this is like the perfect thing to pack as a primer. So I'm so excited, you guys. Like, this is like game over, best bag ever. So I mean, anything else is icing on the cake. Next up, oh, this is a really good size. It's 1 fluid ounce of the Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream. I love Living Proof. I love their texturizing spray, but I've not used this. It's for humidity, perfect for my trip to Hawaii. It's a frizz-taming styling cream that blocks moisture in the air without weighing hair down. It's silicone-free, color-safe, smooths hair texture, and moisturizes for a polish ready that's ready for any occasion. And it says apply from roots to ends on clean, damp hair. So yeah, again, a really good size. It's a really good brand, perfect for summer, which is kind of their theme, Summer Nights. Like, this is going to be perfect when I go to Hawaii and I don't want to do my hair. I can just kind of put this in there and have semi-decent hair for the day. Okay, we also have the Too Faced Melted Matte in the color Queen Bee. I have never tried these. I think I've gotten some in another subscription box before. and the colors have been like not my color. So this is actually a really pretty color. It's a long lasting lightweight lipstick that goes on like a glass. I have a master's degree, I swear I can read. Like a gloss, but delivers bold, full color. It says when you're too busy at a summer soiree to check your lipstick, this one has you covered. A no sting plumper, avocado oil and vitamin E. Its ultra matte formula nurtures and stays put, so you can too. Let's try this baby out. I don't have a mirror. I'm gonna use this viewfinder. So it's a little light, so I probably need a liner. It feels really lightweight. It's not a bad color. It's making my lips look huge. Maybe I like didn't put it on my lips right. I don't know. I'm gonna take a look in my phone. Oh yeah, it's pretty. It is really lightweight. Like I can't like feel it on my lips, which I really like. I definitely would need a liner for it, but I'm gonna rock this like colored lip for the rest of the video because I ain't got time to go get a liner just to look good on camera. So next up, oh, my back is killing me. Sorry guys. Next up is the Definicils Lancome mascara in the color black. It's a defining mascara that provides natural looking lashes that stand out. This is like a classic in the Lancome mascara line. Definicils, everyone's used it. It's good stuff. Like I love the Hypnose one the best, but this is also a really good one. Yeah, and like right now I'm finding like I'm not even having to buy mascaras because I have so many good ones that I can kind of go through, so that's a plus in my book always. Okay, and last is the bonus item, and oh, it's a replica perfume. It's called Music Festival. It's in the Woodstock era, which is Replica does their little kind of themes like that. They have really good perfumes actually. And it says it's inspired by the iconic Woodstock Festival of 1969. The scent blend is patchouli essence with cannabis and leather accord for an aroma that will rock your world. I'm not sure about that. Warm and spicy, cannabis accord, patchouli essence. Base notes is leather accord. This sounds like not my style. Let's test it out. It smells manly, which I think I read somewhere that it's for a male or a female. It comes off really strong, like kind of like this cologne-y, but it almost smells like more vanilla-y and patchouli as it like sits on the skin. But definitely a more like cologne-y smell. Not my cup of tea, but it definitely could be many people. So it's always nice to try out new things. If I don't like it, I just toss it or give it to someone that may like it. But yeah, so that is it. If you are interested in Play by Sephora, I'll leave all the information down below. And if you've not done so yet, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.